Hi there, I'm just making my lunch. I'm using some oatmeal that I cooked up yesterday. I used 2 cups of oatmeal to 4 cups of water. That's what I'm going to be adding to this, and it's going to be a savory oatmeal dish. So in here I've got some mushrooms and some onions already cooking. They're letting off a little bit of their liquid, but I'm going to add a little bit of water just to get it going there. Next I'm going to add in some red peppers. Saute this around, get it all happy. That's good. I'm going to add my oatmeal. I've got a cup here. It's dead cold. I'm going to put it in here with just a little bit more liquid. I want it to be a little bit soupy. Just break this up. Stir it all around. I'm using a non-stick cast iron pan that I absolutely love. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I've got some broccoli that I steamed already, 2 minutes in the microwave. I'm going to add this in. Give it a good stir. And I'm going to put in just a little glug of tamari sauce. Glug. And I've got some clean spinach. I'm going to drop this all in. If you haven't tried savory oatmeal, it's really, really good. I prefer the big flakes because there's more fiber, there's more nutrition in them than the finer ones that you would use for instant oats. And this is going to be a wonderful big bowl of goodness. You could add any kind of a seasoning mix. You could turn this Italian by adding in tomatoes. You could make it Tex-Mex by adding in some Trader Joe's seasoning. And that's all I'm going to do with this right now. Now I'm going to plate it. You might be surprised by this. I'm going to plate it on a bowl of fresh sprouts that I actually sprouted. Put this all in. And what I've got is 5 points for the oatmeal. And that's my lunch. Care to join me? Thanks, Connect Friends.